In the previous part, we saw how we define a child class and define attributes by assigning values in the init method. What we didn't do is explain what the self keyword means and why it has to be there. So let's now light the spotlight on it.
The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class. Think of it as a way for an object to refer to itself. Let's look at child1, which is an instance of the class. When this object is created, the init method is called, and when it happens, the value of self will be child1. So just like outside the class, we can refer to the object as child1, inside the class, we can refer to it as self. So when we say self.firstName equals first, it's like we're saying, hey Python, please assign the value of the parameter first to the attribute firstName of this particular object, the child1 object in this case. So self is a stand-in for child1. That's also the reason we have self as the first parameter of any method. When we call a method, which is the function that is a member of a class, and it might be the init method or any other method, Python also passes the object itself as the first argument. This is done automatically. We don't have to pass the object ourselves, but other than that, it's a completely normal parameter. So we have to have it as a parameter. So both here and here. We can do it more explicitly. So while here we don't pass the object ourselves, but let Python pass it for us, here we use the class itself and not an object. So in this case, Python can't pass the correct object, so we have to explicitly pass it ourselves.